Horseshoe Bend is a really popular hike. It's crowded, it's busy, but it is still worth it. It's only a 1.5 mile round trip. It's an easy hike to do. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to do the hike safely. Horseshoe Bend is located just outside of Page, Arizona, which isn't really close to much of anything in terms of cities. About 4.5 hour drive from Phoenix, about the same from Las Vegas, and about 2.5 hours from the south rim of the Grand Canyon. When you're driving down Route 89, look for the sign here. There is a $10 parking fee that you pay to the city of Page. Your federal park passes don't work here. But the parking lot is really big. There are bathrooms, and it's big and it's empty here on a winter day, but in the summer it can get pretty crowded, and there are spots for buses, which gives you an idea of the amount of people that will come here. And there is RV parking if that is your thing. The hike starts at the end of the parking lot, right where we drove in originally. And there's plenty of signs marking the beginning. Obviously, please stay on the trails. Don't fly drones. You're going to want to be respectful here, and that's why there's a leave no trace interpretive display. That means don't do anything to the landscape and bring your trash out. And you can even sign a little trail register. It is optional, but you can sign in if you'd like. Now, after that first part, the views open up and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful walk down to the viewpoint. And there are these little shade shelters here where you could sit down, get out of the sun, and take in the views. About halfway down, we go from the city of Page into Glen Canyon National Recreation Area, and just to the south is the Navajo Nation. That little gizmo on the pole is a trail counter that counts how many people come in and out. Now at the second shelter, you're going to be able to see the viewpoint in the distance. That's where we're going. It's right down there, that little platform. This has all been redone in recent years. It's much nicer, but that's where we're going. You can see the people checking out the views. And once we get down towards the bottom, you can see there's a lot of little side trails, a lot of really cool rock formations to explore. We're going to go first to this viewing platform. This is the best place to see Horseshoe Bend. And here it is. This is the best place to get your shots. You're going to want a wide lens on your phone. But there it is. That's the Colorado River down there. And you can go up a little bit on the viewing platform and get some nice views down into the canyon there. About 9 miles downstream from here is the Grand Canyon National Park, that is. Now you can definitely leave the viewing platform and explore. Just obviously be careful of the edge. People have fallen to their death here. It's about 1,000 feet down. If you fall, you will die. And it can be slippery. It's slick sandstone and sand. And you'll see people taking all kinds of crazy risks. I don't know why, but please don't be one of those people. Be respectful, be safe, enjoy it. And then when you're done, you're just going to walk back up the way you came, and that's the whole hike. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you want to do some other hikes in this area or in the Grand Canyon, just go to HikingGuy.com, and I've got a lot of them.